Hey everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. What I'm doing today is I'm going to decorate the inside of my lantern, which normally I really don't do. I just put a candle in it and call it a day, or put a little bit more at Christmas or whatever. But when I saw Bella a couple weeks ago decorate her lantern in her fall decor, not the ones she's selling in her shop, which are gorgeous. And if you don't know or you haven't seen them, go over to her store, belladdesigns.com. But I'm talking about the lantern that she had previously. And so what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm incorporating the white flowers and the black and white check that will be going through my family room and kitchen. So I already got that stuff put in there, and I have a candlestick that is inverted. And I did a video on changing the lemon paper that I had decorating this for my lemon design, and I just put a little bit of the ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then what I decided to do is put a little bit of jute, and I'm going to decorate this just a little bit. I wasn't going to, but, well, you know me, I ended up thinking I wanted to. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to put on one of these little flowers from Walmart onto this, and I'm gluing it onto the ribbon so the whole thing can just be taken off and I can decorate it again. And that is usually what I do with my stuff. So let me cut these because I am getting ready for my fall home tour in a couple days, and I'm just doing last minute things. Okay, you can also do this if you want to give these as a gift. This is just an LED candle, very inexpensive. It's not one of the expensive ones, but there you go. So I'm going to put that in here. Okay, so now you have the candle, and then I have a white pumpkin, the black and white, and then I have one of those picks from Walmart behind it because I like the height. And then down below here is one of the white flowers as well, and I'll bring the camera down so you can see the whole thing. Then I got this last year, and this is such a little doll. It's an owl. And I got this from the 99-cent store, and I could not resist. So, and I don't know if I want to take this off because I think I might want to hang it eventually, but isn't that so cute? I love that little face. So I am going to perch, well, you know, I can always put another piece of jute. So for now I'm going to cut it off because I don't want that up there. And I'm just going to put her I think I'm going to put her right there up on the flower. Oh, she's so cute. And like I said, I will bring this down so you're going to see the whole thing, but it's just this lantern is so big that I don't have, can you see that? I don't have enough room for you to see the whole thing in its entirety, but that's where I'm going to put her. And then I have a little battery pack light, and you can't really see it well now, but you'll see it at night, so I'm not going to bother turning it on right now, but this flower will somewhat cover it, and I can always put one of these, I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to put one of these burlap leaves, because I got that little package from Hobby Lobby with the black and white check and the burlap. Went ahead and I made a bow, and you know me, I don't make bows, but, and I'll fix that flower. And what Bella did is she just put some ribbon cascading down, if I remember right, because that's what inspired me to do this. So I made this bow. This is the first bow I've ever made like this. Yeah. Okay. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to very tiny bit of, put a very tiny bit of glue right here, okay? Because it'll be taken off. But I don't want to get that loop in there. Just enough so it'll hold onto the metal. Okay, and then I'll fluff these up. Yeah, if you're interested in how I did this, you probably won't even want to know. Believe me, like I've told you, there's no shame in my game. I am not ashamed to say I am not a bow maker by any stretch. But this is going to do for me. Yeah, I do like that. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to cut a couple of these. I'll tell you what, this is the best deal because this was 40% off, $9.99, and I can't tell you how much I've done with this and will continue to do through the holiday season. And I'm going to make this one, I think, well, I might go longer. Okay. And there, really, I'm telling you, I'm just piecing this together. I don't have a rhyme or a reason, really. And then I'm just going to glue this onto the bow itself. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to put, I just need a little bit of glue here. And again, all of this is just being glued onto this bow. But I do like the way that looks inside. Okay, and then here's my favorite flowers I got from Walmart. They were $3 for 5. They were in a bunch, but I've cut them all down. So I want to put this flower in there too. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down further. Again, this is all gluing onto the actual bow. It's not on the lantern. I have 4 lanterns to my name. I have this one, a Christmas one, the little one you saw when I went to the 99-cent store, and another little one that I keep on my coffee table in my family room. I'm almost done. I'm just going to glue this other one, this other flower, because you can't see what I'm doing anyway. Let me bring it up. Okay, so if you can see, I'm putting the flower onto the bow here. And I don't know if I want, yeah, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay that one there and not even glue it. And then I love this little crow, and this I got at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and I just love his face. He looks so nervous. But I'm going to just glue him just a tiny bit so he doesn't fall, because I don't want him to break. And then I can just take him off after. And when I say little, I'm talking a little tiny bit of glue. Okay, so now let me bring you down. Okay, so let's start, and let me open this first. Let's start in here, and I do have those little fairy lights, but you're not going to see them very well during the day. And then our little owl from the 99-cent store. I think she is so cute. I want to make some of these. And actually, I bought her for that purpose. I thought she was so cute, I wanted to make more. And they only had one because it was after fall last year. So there she is. And then my candle, I just decorated that just a little bit, took it off the lemon paper theme, and then just put on the black and white and a flower, and that is on a candlestick to make it taller. And then over here, one of the black and white pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and one of the white pumpkins, I don't think you can see in there, from the 99-cent store. Okay, so now I'm going to shut this. And up here, I just put the crow, and then this is, like I said, this is my first bow, if you can believe that. After all these years, I just was never a bow maker. And you should have seen me making it. It was a sight to behold. Anyway, and then I put a couple of these white flowers from Walmart, which I absolutely love these flowers. And then just, I put a streamer down here with some of that ribbon. So that is my lantern. And you will see this in my fall, or you'll see this when I do my home tour collaboration for fall. So I just wanted to show you this and kind of bring you along. And until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.